Abby, what's that? What is it?
A snore.
It's a snore?
A yummy snore.
A yummy snore? What do you do with a snore?
Put it in here.
Oh. Why do you put it in there?
Cause you save it for later and it doesn't get all ooey.
Oh. What else can a snore do?
It can, every time snore goes in the night, a monster comes.
Oh. Does the snore know how to dance?
I'm a bug now. I'm a seesaw with that. I'm a girl. Hi, Mommy. I'm a girl now. Now I'm a horsey.
All right, time to say goodnight to the snore. Where does the snore sleep?
It's sleeping in the fridge.
Oh.
Let's see again.
Say goodnight, snore.